these barren lands are required for our further use, right? For food production, for supplement to our necessity for feeds. So we cannot just take these barren land into consideration for going into palm cultivations, which ultimately after this barren land, then they will touch the forest land, then they will touch the private land, then they will touch all lands. See the impact of this palm oil cultivation. I know the government has done a study or not on this, the impact of palm oil cultivation in any state or particularly in our state of Meghalaya.
Sir, as I have already mentioned in my reply, sir, that as of now, sir, we have not had any kind of intimation from the union government regarding the introduction of oil palm cultivation in Meghalaya. Therefore, sir, we are waiting for decisions or any guidelines to be issued by the central government. Only after that will we carry out due diligence, sir. But let me state this, sir, for the benefit of the honorable members, sir, that we are very, very concerned about our biodiversity and our ecology, which is very fragile, sir, we all know. And we will not take any action which will harm the ecology or the delicate biodiversity of our state, sir.